Hello students, let us see this question here. See, a capacitor of 4 microfarad is connected as shown in figure. The internal resistance of the battery is given here. So this is the battery here, and here the internal resistance of the battery if I take, so that is 0.5 ohm. The amount of charge on the capacitor plates will be, it is asking. So when the charge will be, when the capacitor will be fully charged, then there will be no current in this upper part of the circuit, in this part. So after fully charged, if I say, when the capacitor is fully charged, then in this part no current will be there, only current will be there in the lower part of the circuit. So let us assume this current is I here. So how much this current will be there? If I calculate here, then total resistance will be 2 plus 2.5. So I will be equal to V upon R. So V upon R. So V is given, that is 2.5, and the total R will become 0.5 plus 2, that will be 0.2.5. So that will be 1 ampere. So this current will become 1 ampere here. Now what will the potential difference across this cell now entire? So assume this is point A and assuming this is point B. So potential difference across AB, VAB. So that is nothing but potential difference across this cell. So since the current is outgoing from the positive terminal of the cell, so the cell is discharging here. So the potential difference across this cell will become E minus IR. In the case of discharging, potential difference across the cell is E minus IR. So E is given here, that is 2.5, minus I is 1, and internal resistance is 0.5. So that will become 2 ohm. So potential difference across AB is 2 ohm, and there is no current here. So potential difference across 10 ohm will be 0. So whatever the potential difference across AB is there, that will appear only across the capacitor. So across the capacitor, I can say the potential difference will become this. Sorry, this is your 2 volt here. 2 volt. So across this capacitor, potential difference will become 2 volt. So I can use the formula now for the charge on capacitor is Q is equal to C into V. So the capacitance is 4 and the voltage is 2. So that will become 8 microcoulomb. So see which option is there. So the amount of charge on the capacitor will be 8 microcoulomb. There is no option. So 8 microcoulomb is the answer. So option is C, D, right? Okay students, I hope you understood this question.